Let's talk about parasites. Many people think parasites are this far away thing that doesn't affect people here in the United States. Brought up this example. This is a little boy who had all of these parasites removed from his body. Now, this is an extreme example. This boy lives in an area where parasites are very prevalent. It even says in this article that deworming is a common thing that they do with kids and that he never had that happen. But there's more. Here's an example of a woman who was diagnosed with a liver tumor, and it turned out the mass was actually a parasite. Here we see an example of what was originally diagnosed as a brain tumor, and it turned out it was actually a parasite growing in the person's head. This was a case where a woman was originally diagnosed with breast cancer, and then they found out that the tumor was not breast cancer. It was actually pork tapeworm larvae. You got that right. It was pork parasite eggs that were growing in her breast, and it looked like a tumor. Ugh. Because parasitic infections are not like viruses or bacteria that are these tiny microscopic things, they're actually large entities. They can actually block things in your body just by taking up space. So like your flow of bile coming out of your liver, your intestines can actually be blocked up just from the sheer volume of these parasites. Ugh. It sickens me to think of. Some common symptoms when it comes to parasites: abdominal pain, diarrhea, constipation, food allergies, which can cause all of those above symptoms as well. Even headaches, anxiety, and depression can all be caused by parasitic infections. And these are symptoms that a lot of our patients and a lot of people in the United States deal with on a regular basis. Is it only adults that are at risk? Absolutely not. Even pregnant moms and babies can be affected by parasites. This is an example of infantile eczema caused by an infection of parasites. Yeah, that's disgusting. And these are the types of things that some people may have causing issues in their body that they do not know about. If you're still watching this, you're probably pretty grossed out, freaked out, and wondering if there's anything you can do to get parasites like this out of your body if you do have them. And the great news is our friends over at CellCore put together a whole program. They have all of these amazing products that have had years of research and have proven to be effective. How do you think they got those parasites out of the person that was in the toilet? CellCore. And here at the office, we utilize these advanced CellCore detoxification protocols that are very safe, they're very effective, and the great news is you do not need to do anything except for take the supplements. If you're struggling with things like skin issues, digestive tract issues, liver issues, if you're just feeling lousy, if you're getting headaches, if you're noticing that your lungs aren't working properly, all of these are potentially signs of parasitic infections. So do yourself a favor, set up a consultation with me, Dr. Thor, or ask anybody here in the office about CellCore.